mostly workplaces, so we do have solar panels and we use gensets. That's the only way. Otherwise,
Hi everyone, this is Backpacking Barbara, and today we are going on a street. What are we doing today?
Yeah. Greetings, my people. My name is One Drop Entertainment, all the way from Nairobi, Kenya. You know, they say that Nairobi is the capital city of Africa, you know?
Yeah.
So I met Barbara here at Natrange Backpackers, where we are staying. We
Yeah,
just met there, and we are YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers.
upcoming YouTubers.
We're just trying
Yeah,
to venture in this world of vloggers.
sure
And
thing.
now she's been here for a while.
Yeah,
Now today she's my tour guide.
yes,
So
yes.
let's go together and see
Let's
the
go,
beautiful
guys.
city Malawi.
The
Not Malawi. You know, I'm just
the
coming from Malawi, so I was used to Malawi. So we are
yeah,
in Lusaka, not Malawi. Sorry, guys. We
yeah,
are in Lusaka.
yeah. We're going to see the beautiful, clean city of Lusaka. Okay,
Yeah.
me and him, we've just met today, and I'm so happy to meet him and to go on to this street walk or drive. So,
No, just
guys,
walk. Once you're tired, now we can take.
yeah,
We can.
yeah, we just
But the
gonna
sun is
walk.
shining,
Yeah.
but a little bit hot, and maybe we need to take maybe
Matatu or something.
matatu or Uber or anything, or bikes. Yeah, they have bikes, motorbikes, not bicycles.
Yeah.
You know, in
They have,
Malawi,
but
they
it's
have
not very common.
these bicycles.
Oh,
So
yeah.
many.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. Here they mainly use Yango. It's more of the Uber here, so. But we're okay just vlogging because the sunshine is out and it's beautiful out here. So, guys, enjoy.
Yeah.
So this is the place where you can come and get SIM cards.
Yeah.
And it only costs how much?
15 kwacha.
Only 15 kwacha. You get your Airtel or MTN line. They're the most commonly used here. And this is my good friend Morgan.
Morgan, like the Morgan Heritage. You know what to sing?
Yeah, Morgan Heritage. Yeah,
Yeah, you know how to sing.
You
Can
know
you
how to
sing
sing?
us a song for Morgan Heritage?
Morgan Heritage. I don't know how to sing. My voice is very, very bad.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
Oh, no. Oh, you've never tried.
I think so.
Yeah, but this is the place. Just if you're staying at the backpackers, they've given a supermarket here where you can buy a lot of stuff you need, close to the
So Morgan
road.
is trying to.
That's the stage where you can get taxis heading to
So can
the
get
town.
connected.
Everything is close by.
But
The
the
East
sun is
Park Mall
shining,
is just
so
up
good.
here. So
Yeah.
that's literally what we're doing today. You know, like, you wanna say hi?
we're making a video
For YouTube. So me and my friend, she's from Nairobi. It's a YouTuber.
Oh,
Yeah, we're just going to take a walk vlog around.
you live around here.
Yeah, live here. The family. Yeah. So how is being in Zambia?
One of the funniest experiences you could ever have, I guess. How
Oh.
did you think it was for you?
How much is
How's the
2
experience
GB?
for you?
The experience has been great, except for the load shedding. It's more of like a big
How do you check like
before you
online?
come
How do
here.
you store?
Yeah, it is, but
Yeah.
it will soon
I want to
end.
check
It will end.
My
It's
biggest
just
question about that, how do you do it?
No, yeah.
Because it's been happening for like, I checked from 2016.
yes, from 2015. If not mistaken, from 2012, we've always had
So it's normal for you.
it's normal. But sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's okay. Like this time around, it's because of the rain, we don't have much rain, so we're experiencing that. But it will come to an end.
When the Christmas, do you know, like
November, December.
almost the whole year, right?
Almost the whole year.
So how do you do it? You can call goes off to do everything, work, or that's really sad.
It is bad.
So because I just had like a problem with this digestion, but Zambia distributes power to different countries.
It does. Like South Africa does get power company. And I don't know, like, at the moment, I think I heard they do have power, so I don't know if it's still the same.
Okay, so today what are you up to?
Going forward, but I'm still feeling this.
Ah, what do you do?
I work in a construction company. I'm a construction firm. Just got them. I'm not coming maybe I'm coming like at 11 or something. I need to do some other things. So, but I will go back. I will go out. Just need to get some construction. Yes.
So saying hi.
Hi,
Yeah,
thank
nice to
you.
meet you. Just in case you didn't meet you, you can check for Backpacking Barbara.
Backpacking, backpacking.
Yeah, Backpacking Barbara. That's the name of the family.
All right.
Yeah, and you can.
All right. Thank you.
Hello guys, so we're here in Lusaka.
Try to protect you.
Okay, great. But I know no one can grab my phone. I've been feeling like a little bit safer here, like vlogging even on the phone. So I don't know, maybe, yeah, I don't attract kids. But anyway, we're here downtown. And we're just trying to make other videos with one drop.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
cruising.
So we are heading to, we are looking for glasses for him, and then we look for the buses that go to Johannesburg, that connect to Namibia. Yeah, Intercity, I think it's in Intercity something, but we're gonna
I
find
think
out.
I'll go to Namibia because when I'm coming back, I'll pass by what do you call it, by Zambia, so I can use the Victoria Falls when I'm in Zambia.
Oh, so after here you go to Namibia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then Cape Town.
I wish you all the best on your trip.
They normally
Nairobi is what?
some place with a lot of phones. That way they will just time it.
Oh, thank you.
You will not know when they are snatching it.
Yeah. You don't even see the person.
Yeah.
Okay.
They will just follow you, and come in right by.
I hope it's not going to happen to me. Because we're still in Africa.
But it's okay, not original. Just copy.
Here, the glasses.
Yeah, these ones.
I'm looking for them.
The ones look like you're the one selling. This one looks like it's about Ray-Bans. Just walking randomly.
Yeah, random walk.
This big city. Actually, it's big city. Don't forget to Lilongwe. Let's go the other side. Or let's go straight to the cross.
Just watch here, something but 24. We over nothing, but the base, so make sure you come there.
Now there are some places.
Yeah.
What is this? Let's cross, then we go the other side.
We have to go all the way. Yeah. This is the city of Lusaka. Very clean city. Yeah.
Zebra crossing.
Just random beautiful people.
I was just, let me check this guy behind.
Okay.
I was like, ooh. So guys, this is Lusaka. And I don't know what is this building.
Has a name on it, something. Bank of Zambia? Huh? Yeah, Bank of Zambia.
But you cannot recall some places.
That's Bank of Zambia though.
Central Bank, I think.
Kenneth Kaunda House. It was just celebrated
places,
recently. Yeah.
It's not allowed to record, maybe banks.
Oh. As long as
Maybe
no.
they may think you're planning a plot.
Yeah. Sometime I went to this Chinatown
Yes.
and I went to the supermarket where they're selling a lot of Chinese food.
Yes.
And the guys there, they were scared.
Yes.
They were walking around me after I was done with the video. He asked me like, where are you from? What is it? Blah, blah, blah. He thought I'm working like with some government and I'm there to compare their prices with the government prices, which was weird. Yeah. So I had to tell them, hi, no worries. Me, I'm just doing fun stuff for YouTube. And I showed them my YouTube channel.
So it was scared like
Yeah, they were really scared. There was a black guy, the Zambian guy, who was watching me. Yeah, it was crazy.
More than 48 hours drive. Imagine. Let's go. I think I don't see anything here. We tried the last one.
Yeah. Beautiful Lusaka. I feel like I can't do this in Johannesburg. Like with my phone, just like this. What's that?
Lusaka is very beautiful and clean. That's one thing I like about it. It's beautiful and clean.
You heard? Very clean city.
So I'm trying to go for some glasses.
Yeah.
Because I forgot mine. The car which drove me all the way from the Songwe border to Lilongwe. I left them in the car and that's it. And they were very expensive. So I just need to buy cheap ones. Maybe for $1 or $2 maximum. Yeah, you can find it. Yeah, these places they sell this. Very careful.
With the phone.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Especially where they sell this second-hand stuff.
We are protected.
That's close. Sometimes we just walking and walking and walking.
This is
I could have worn my shorts. I don't know. I'm in
because of the
jeans.
sun.
It was fun.
Grass project.
I don't know why people are looking at you so much.
They're already
Or they're just saying, this girl, she's not
scared.
she's not scared of losing the phone.
Losing her phone, you know. So since many people like look safe, they can see someone who is snatching it.
You know, so there are some places they can take it, but no one will
Help
will
you.
even help you.
That would be sad.
Just look.
This is how much I trust this place. This is how much. It's like already 2, right?
That's what they see.